This is the Champion RK-2C repair kit for the 466 manual anti-siphon valves, as well as the RS series straight valves. Now the RK-2C is the repair kit for the 1-inch versions of each model, and it's going to include the red fiber gasket, our packing washer, and the seat washer. Now these two are rubber. We'll start with a couple dimensions. Starting with the fiber gasket, we're going to go outer diameter first. See, we're just over 1.5 inches on the outer diameter, and then inner diameter right at 1.5 inches. Then our seat washer, outer diameter, going to be right at about 1 inch and almost 1/4 just below. And then our inner diameter, right there at that small hole that goes through, will be right at 1/4 inch. And then thickness or height, also going to be right at 1/4 inch. And then last but not least, the packing washer. Of course, packing washer also has a hole that goes through the center, so we'll get an inner and outer diameter as well as the height. So starting with outer, we're going to be right at about 3/4 inch, with an inner diameter right at about 3/8 inch, and then thickness going to be right at 1/4, same as the seat washer. Now I forgot to mention this prior, but the package also comes with this slip here. On the front you've got your item number, what it's for, the size, and then on the back you have a pretty helpful picture breakdown of where those parts are located and the order they go in. And then right here below the part number, it also lists the parts included, which of course, packing washer, seat washer, and fiber gasket. And once again, this is the Champion RK-2C repair kit for the 1-inch anti-siphon valves and RS series straight valves.